my name is Virginia. Today I decided to film a prom makeup look. I decided to go for a rose gold half glitter cut crease with like really dramatic lashes. Honestly, this would be perfect for any event, like if you have a birthday, graduation, bridal shower, homecoming, formal, but especially for prom. I'm applying a little bit of this on the back of my hand. And I'm mostly going to focus this where I have like my T-zone. So now for foundation, I'm using the Cover FX Power Play. This is a liquid foundation. I'm pretty sure it's like medium to full coverage in the shade G40. So again, I'm just going to be placing this on the back of my hand. What I like to do is I like to dot on my face with my foundation. So I'm using like small dots like this. The blender, I'm just going to be blending that in. Now that I'm done with my foundation, I'm going to be going in with my concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape and Light Neutral. And all I'm doing is doing like a triangle underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to be going on the bridge of my nose. Now I'm going to be blending this in. I'm using like a smaller sponge. This one's like perfect for your under eyes. So I want to make sure I'm using dabbing motions to not spread it too far. I really want to keep it like right underneath my eyes, because that's really going to help brighten it. Set that concealer, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Press Powder. This is in the number W2. This is just going to help me set everything. Now for translucent powder, I'm using my Airspun. This is in the Naturally Neutral. And I'm basically just going to bake right underneath my eyes. So I'm going to leave this on while I do my eyebrows. What I'm going to be using today is the Milani pomade. This is in number 5. It's the dark brown. And I'm going to be using the Anastasia number 12. This is an eyebrow brush. I'm going to brush them upward and to the side. Let's start with the outer edge. Just really make them more defined. I'm going to be carving out my eyebrows. I'm using that concealer again, the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm using a flat concealer brush to carve it out. I'm going to blend out that concealer. So then I'm going to be dusting off that bake powder. I'm using that same fluffy brush. I'm using the BH Cosmetics contour palette. This is like one of my favorites. I always use this one just because it has so many shades and like I like to mix them. So I'm going to be mixing this one and this one again. I'm just going to blend that out. And for blush, I'm going to be using the Milani Baked Powder Blush in the shade 5 Luminoso. Sorry, my Hispanic came out. Okay, so I really like this color because it's like a coral, like it has a little bit more of an orange look. And I'm going to be placing this right on the apple of my cheeks. And I'm using like a little bit of a patting motion. I don't want to like rub it in there. And it's just to give me more color. Now that I'm done with my foundation and like basically my face makeup, I'm going to be setting it. Urban Decay All Nighter Pollution Protection. This one's really going to help make my makeup stay like all night, especially if you're going to be like sweating or dancing, or you know, if it's hot, you want your makeup to be running or anything. So this one just helps mattify it and also keeps it in place. So for highlight, I'm using one of my favorites. This is the Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm going to be using the shade Moonstone. So this one's Moonstone. It has more of a pink undertone. You guys can see that's going to tie in perfectly with the rose gold look. I'm using this It Cosmetics highlighter fan brush. Y'all, it's so blinding. Do y'all see that? Wow. So now that we're done with my face makeup, I'm going to be doing the eyeshadows. This is a Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia. Hella freaking dirty. Like, damn girl. She been through some shit. Honestly, one of my favorite palettes. Y'all can probably tell. But I just like, I live for these colors. I love these colors. First color I'm going to take is this one. This one's called Tempera. It's like a light beige. I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelid. This is also going to help me set my concealer. So the next color I'm going to be taking is this one right here. This one is Burnt Orange. I'm going to be taking that a little bit farther down. I don't want to take it too high up and just really focus it on my crease. So now I'm going to be taking this one. This one's called Red Ochre. I'm going to be focusing this more on my outer crease or on my outer corner. So now I'm going to be going in with the Stila Liquid Eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Rose Gold Retro. I'm going to be taking the Stila Waterproof Eyeliner. And I'm going to be using these lashes. These are the Mist lashes in the number M368. So now I'm done with my lashes. It's crazy, like the difference that lashes can make. My eyes just look so much more fuller, so dramatic. I'm going to be going in with my mascara. For mascara, I'm using the Better Than Sex by Too Faced. I'm also going to be doing my shadow on my waterline. I'm basically doing the same eyeshadows I did for the top, but I'm going to be using them on the bottom. The last thing is lipstick. I'm using this Milani lip liner. You guys, I've been using this so much. Do y'all see this shit? This is in the number 3. I'm just going to like outline my lips. So now for the actual lipstick, I'm using this Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine lip gloss. So I actually got this from work and it came with this cute little ass keychain. Like, oh my god, it's so adorable. It has like pink glitter. This is in the shade Backtalk. That smells really good. It smells like mint, like peppermint. I actually really like this. Like, once the lip gloss is not super sticky to where you can't even open your mouth, and it feels so refreshing. Like, it feels like mint lip balm but with a lot of shine and a lot of pigment. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. I am going to be filming a lot more, posting a lot more. Yeah, see you next time.